the Visit Board Search and Seizure training is crucial for equipping our law enforcers with the skills necessary to improve their operational efficiency while ensuring safety, promoting legal compliance, and all these towards effective and efficient enforcement.
The Visit Board Search and Seizure is a maritime technique used to combat maritime crimes, particularly IUU fishing. It's about approaching, boarding, searching, and possible seizure of contrabands on vessels violating maritime laws. This course will enable participants to successfully conduct safe and legally sound operations. Before you board, don't forget to kiss. Keep it simple and safe.
Collection of evidence is a must in the filing of administrative and criminal case, because dito natin mabibase whether mananalo tayo o hindi tayo mananalo. So ang pinaka-importance nito is makuha natin yung tamang ebidensya para dun sa mga case build up na ginagawa natin. Sa first aid and casualty management, napakalaga nito considering that our work of line is very dangerous.
So yung GAR assessment, no, napaka-importante. First and foremost, kailangan nating safety first. Okay, then after that, so yung pag pre-boarding. So yung pre-boarding, yung assess natin yung vessel of interest natin. Tanungin natin kung ang kanilang activity within our territory. And more especially yung movement sa barko. Then tactical moving. Okay, so yung pagpasok sa vessel, smooth. Okay, sabi nga nila, slow is fast.
Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible.
Wala sir, ako nga nagawin sila dito. Okay.
Posible kaya matikman mas na itong minimithi sa kagat ng bawat laban. Magtatagumpay kang muli. Sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible, sulong laban, huwag uurong. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible. Sulong laban, pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Posible, sulong laban, Pilipino. Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong. Thank you.